Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Fake Product Review Detection using Machine Learning. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. Fake product reviews are misleading opinions written with aim of fooling potential buyers. They might make a product seem much better than it really is, ignore any bad things about it, or even make up false information altogether. These reviews can come from different sources like people, companies trying to promote their products, or automated programs called bots. They show up on various online places where products are reviewed, such as shopping websites, social media, or review forums. When people see fake reviews, it's harder for them to trust what others say about products, which can lead to them making bad choices when buying things. To keep things fair, many websites use method to find and delete fake reviews, ensuring that shoppers get accurate information to help them make informed decisions. The project aims to create an automated system that distinguishes between real and fake product reviews online. By leveraging machine learning techniques to analyze text data, the system identifies patterns indicative of fraudulent reviews. The project tackles the growing problem of fake reviews on e commerce platforms, which can deceive consumers and harm businesses. By identifying and removing fake reviews, the system aims to enhance transparency, trust, and fairness in online product assessment. This helps ensure that consumers receive accurate information and businesses maintain their reputation and integrity, ultimately enhancing a more trustworthy online shopping environment. Traditional methods for spotting fake reviews usually involve human moderators or rule based systems. But these ways are slow, based on personal judgment, and struggle with large review volumes. They also have trouble identifying sophisticated fake reviews designed to seem real. To overcome these challenges, the proposed system for fake product review detection uses a variety of machine learning algorithms such as logistic regression, support vector machine, random forest, k nearest neighbor KNN, Navy Bayes, decision tree, gradient boosting, stacking classifier, and voting classifier. Each algorithm has its own strengths and capabilities. By combining these algorithms, the system aims to effectively identify patterns in the data that indicate whether a review is genuine or fake. This comprehensive approach ensures that the system can accurately differentiate between real and fake reviews on e commerce platforms, promoting transparency and trust in online product evaluations. The project offers advantages to various groups involved. Consumers benefit by being able to make better purchasing choices, relying on truthful reviews to ensure they are satisfied with products and can trust online platforms. Businesses gain by upholding their reputation and competitiveness in the market, while e commerce platforms see improvements in user trust and engagement, resulting in higher profits. Regulatory bodies can enforce fair trade practices, protecting consumer rights. Furthermore, researchers can enhance their understanding of natural language processing and machine learning, driving innovation and progress in the field. Front end integration: Flask is like a lightweight web framework for creating websites using Python. We can use it in this project to make a website where people can interact with our fake product review detection system. With Flask, we can set up features like sign up and sign in using a simple database called SQLite. Users can enter messages on the website for analysis. Flask helps to manage all these interactions by directing them to the right parts of our project where the data is processed and predictions are made. This way, users can easily use our project through a web browser thanks to Flask, making everything work smoothly together. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are: application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project for detecting fake reviews. And here, these are the algorithms which are proposed in the base paper, which are logistic regression, support vector machine, random forest, k nearest neighbor, navy Bayes, decision tree, and gradient boosting. And these are the algorithms which we have proposed to further improve the performance. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And here, the voting classifier outperformed the other models, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. So let me explain you what voting classifier is. A voting classifier is an ensemble machine learning technique that combines predictions from multiple individual classifiers to make a final prediction, leveraging either hard or soft voting. By aggregating diverse perspectives, it often improves predictive performance compared to using a single classifier alone. In the project, the voting classifier merges predictions from AdaBoost classifier and random forest classifier, employing soft voting to enhance accuracy in distinguishing genuine and fake product reviews. This approach aims to enhance overall predictive performance and foster more reliable detection of fraudulent reviews on e commerce platforms. To implement this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And this is the dataset, fake reviews dataset. So in this project, we have utilized fake reviews dataset. So here we can see the category, and here we have the rating, and this is the label, and here we have the text, that is the reviews. So these are the reviews, and here these are the ratings for the reviews. So this dataset will be pre-processed. So close this dataset. These are the model files which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. And here this is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. And this is the sample data set in which we have the test cases which we will use during the execution. So here this is the label column. So here we are having two labels, 0 and 1. 0 is the fake review and 1 is the original review. Now close this. This is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. Here, I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py. So here I'm typing python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are a new user, we need to register first. So click on register now button here. So here we need to enter all these details to register. But I have already registered. So click on sign in now. So here we need to enter the username and the password, which are static, and then click on login. We have logged in successfully and we are redirected to the prediction page. So now click on prediction link here. So here we need to enter the text, and after entering the messages, the application will predict whether it is a fake review or an original review. So from the test cases, that is from the sample data set, let us enter the messages. So here I am entering the first message, copy this message and paste it here. So this is the message which I have entered. Now click on predict button. So here, this is the message which we have entered, and the label for the message is the review posted is computer generated fake review. So here it is a fake review. And the topic for the paragraph is most dependent upon these words. So these words make the review fake. Love, well, sturdy, pretty, comfortable, made. Let us enter some more messages. Click on prediction link here. Again, from the test cases, I'm entering this message. Now click on predict. So this is the entered message, which is these are so flimsy. They are not the quality you would expect from a piece of furniture. And the label for the message is the review posted is computer generated fake review. So it is a fake review. And the topic for the paragraph is most dependent upon these words. Let us enter some more messages. Click on prediction link. This time, let us enter the messages. From the label 1, which means it is a original message. So I'm copying this message. So this is the message which I have entered. Now click on predict. So here we can see this is the message. These are just perfect, exactly what I was looking for. And the label for the message is the review posted is original review. So it is a original review. And the topic for the paragraph is most dependent upon these words. Looking exactly perfect. Let us enter some more messages. Click on prediction link. So let us enter the messages from the test cases again. So this time I'm entering this message. Paste it here. Now click on predict button. So this is the message which we have entered. Very soft and great quality for such a low price. So the label for the message is the review posted is original review. So it is a original review, and the topic for the paragraph is most dependent upon these words: soft, quality, price, low, and great. So these words make the review original. Let us enter some more messages. Click on prediction link. This time, let us enter the messages from the dataset itself. So this is the dataset. So here, this is the message which I'm selecting. Paste it here. Now click on predict button. So this is the uploaded message. My son loves this comforter and it is very well made. We also have a baby. And the label for the message is the review posted is computer generated fake review. So it is a fake review. And the topic for the paragraph is most dependent upon these words. Let us enter some more messages. Click on prediction link. So let us enter the messages from the test cases. And then click on predict. So this is the entered message. Very cute and good quality fabrics. Zippers worked well too. And the label for the message is the review posted is original review. So it is an original review. And the topic for the paragraph is most dependent upon these words. So in this way, just by entering the messages, we can classify it as original review or a fake review. Now click on graph link here. So here, this is the sample outcome graph which displays the distribution of labels. So here on the x-axis we have the label and on the y-axis we have the count. And here this is the word cloud which visually represents words in text data with the size of each word indicating its frequency or importance. So here we can see that the word book, love, one, good are the words which are having more importance. And here we have the comparison graphs with evaluation metrics, accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. So this is the accuracy comparison graph. Here on the x-axis we have accuracy score and on the y-axis we have algorithm name. Accuracy is a measure of how well a model correctly predicts outcomes. It represents the proportion of correctly classified instances among all instances evaluated. And this is the precision comparison graph. Here on the x-axis we have precision score and on the y-axis we have algorithm name. Precision is a measure of the correctness of positive predictions made by a classifier. This is recall comparison graph. Here on the x-axis we have recall score and on the y-axis we have algorithm name. Recall is a measure of the classifier's ability to correctly identify all relevant instances from a dataset. This is FN comparison graph. Here on the x-axis we have FN score and on the y-axis we have algorithm name. FN score combines precision and recall into a single value. It provides a balance between precision and recall, taking into account both false positives and false negatives. So the algorithm which is performing best will be used for prediction. So in this project, the voting classifier outperformed the other models, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now click on logout button here. So in this project, we have built various machine learning models to predict fake reviews, leveraging fake review dataset. And we have identified voting classifier has the best performing model. So we have deployed it in Flask and we have tested the system.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.